Hi everybody! Today we're going to make a neck gaiter face mask because neck gaiter face mask that is hand sewn. So we are not going to use a sewing machine because I just read a comment from Mark Wheeler, and I will read his message for you. His message is, I know you have sewing machine. Could you show us how to sew one with just hand sewing? We don't have machine. Do we add elastic around the top and a nose piece so our glasses don't pug? Could you show us no sewing machine owners to add filter pocket inside? Also, thank you for your help. New York Strong, Mikel. Okay, Mikel, so if your shirt is stretchable, if your shirt is very stretchable, you don't have to add elastic. But if your shirt is not that very stretchable, maybe you can add elastic on this side. And then this time I'm going to do a neck gaiter that that we are going to put wire on the nose piece area, on the nose piece, and then filter packet also. Okay, so let's start. So this is for the packet filter. It's 5 by 8, and then for the wire, just using the floral wire. So this will be 6 inches. We're going to get 6 inches from here. The first thing you have to do is to sew it temporarily so that this will serve as the markings. Okay, so this will be you have to sew the filter packet the two sides. Okay. Okay, now this is for the permanent seam. So I'm using black thread. So use the same color as your shirt. So this time I'm using 2 strand. Get the center of the mask. Okay, so this is the filter. Get the center of that one. So it's right here. That is the where you're going to put the wire. So center of the wire is 3. It's up to here. Here. So it should be, oh, it's almost the same size here. Easy. So you have to insert it. Now it's done. So you just have to put the tissue or the face mask here. Thank you for watching, and see you again on my next video. Stay safe.